on somebody, why don't you run?
Alright, so what's up, y'all? Yesterday, we found a boat at those ponds behind my house. We were fishing, as y'all saw yesterday. We were fishing there, and we found a boat, so we kept it. And we decided we're gonna do a little bit of a restoration project on it. We're gonna get it fixed up and ready to fish for me, Johnny, and Logan. And here she is.
This is gonna be the channel's boat.
So I guess it's a little 15-foot boat.
I give it 10.
Yeah, maybe 10, 12.
Hold on, I'm lay down in it. I'm 5'6". I'll give it 9 or 10.
Yeah, 9 or 10 feet. We're gonna pull it out, catch y'all when we get it out. Johnny down there actually found a bit that might work. We're making some progress on that bigger bolt that we tried first. While I'm over here trying to rip up the carpet. Sorry if the noise is really bad. He's trying to drill over there, but look at the bottom of this carpet. I mean, look at this stuff. It's like black. So we're gonna get that all ripped up. And then after we get the carpet ripped up, we're gonna go and we're gonna take all the leftover that's left and scrape it off with some like putty knives and stuff, just to make sure we get it all a clean surface so we can lay new carpet. I'll show you guys what's going on.
Ever since the days of old, men would search for wealth untold. They dig for silver.